On October 25, 2023, the Snapdragon Summit was held on Maui Island, Hawaii. At the summit, they've unveiled a completely new flagship product, Snapdragon X Elite, a top-tier PC computing platform. As a top-tier PC computing platform, it carries a bit of a punch against x86 and a kick against other architectures. The Snapdragon X Elite adopts a brand new in-house Oryon architecture and a 4nm manufacturing process, featuring up to 12 performance cores with a clock speed of 3.8 GHz. Single and dual core speeds can reach up to 4.3 GHz, with a storage capacity of 42 MB. There is also a high-performance Adreno GPU. It also comes equipped with a high-performance Adreno GPU. Memory supports LPDDR5X8533 with a maximum capacity of 64 GB. In terms of single-core performance, the Snapdragon X Elite outperforms the Apple M2 by nearly 14%, with a 30% reduction in power consumption in comparison to the Intel mobile flagship, the Core i9-139AIHX. It outperforms by 1% in terms of performance, with a 70% reduction in power consumption. In terms of multi-core performance, Qualcomm's Snapdragon competes with Apple M2 and Intel Core i7-13700H. The Snapdragon Elite leads by a margin of 50% and 60%. In terms of the GPU, the Snapdragon X Elite is compared to the most powerful integrated graphics on a mobile platform. The Snapdragon X Elite is compared to the Radeon 7A OM integrated into the AMD Ryzen 9 7900. The Snapdragon X Elite leads by 80%, with an 80% reduction in power consumption in comparison to the Iris C integrated into the Intel Core i7-13700H. It boasts a 200% increase in performance and a 74% reduction in power consumption. Qualcomm thus announces Snapdragon X Elite is the world's fastest laptop processor. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.